blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, and green color. Kids, now you draw alphabets. And first you draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and U is blue color. Kids, again use blue color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. C. C for cat, C for car. Kids, again use blue color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids, now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. F. F for fish, F for fan. G. G for goat, G for grapes. Kids, now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter, and U is yellow color. Yellow color. I for ice, I for ice cream. Kids, again use yellow color and draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids, now draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. It's neither M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. It's neither O. O for orange, O for octopus, and U is red color. Red color. P. P for parrot, P for penguin. It's neither Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. R. R for rose, R for rice. It's neither S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. It's neither U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. It's neither V. V for van, V for vanilla, and U is black color. The alphabets of V. W. W for wallet, W for watch. X. X for X-ray, X for telephone. Kids, again use black color and draw Y. Y for yak, Y for yo-yo. Z. Z for zebra, and Z for zoo. Blue color, yellow color, red color, black color, and green color. Kids, neither numbers, and first read of 1, and U is blue color. O, N, E, 1, 2, T, W, O, 2, 3, T, H, R, W, 3. Kids, again use blue color and draw 4. F, O, U, R, 4, 5. F, I, V, E, 5. It's neither 6. The numbers of 6, and U is yellow color. Yellow color. S, I, X, 6, 7. S, E, V, E, and 7. Kids, again use yellow color and draw 8. E, I, G, H, D, 8. 9. N, I, N, E, 9. 10. T, E, and 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and hue is red color. Red color. $12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use red color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now to 16. The numbers of 16 and hue is black color. Black color. $17. The numbers of 17. 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. 20. The last numbers of 20. Red color, blue color, green color, black color, yellow color, and white color. Kids now draw alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A for apple and use red color. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Kids again use red color and draw G. G for God. Kids now draw H. H for helicopter and hue is blue color. Blue color. I. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. Kids again use blue color and draw K. K for king. L. L for lion. Kids again use blue color and draw M. M for moon. N. N for nose. Kids now draw numbers and first draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use green color. O N E 1 2 T W O 2. Kids again use green color and draw 3. T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4. Kids again use green color and draw 5. F I V E 5 6 S I X 6 7 S E V E and 7 8 E I G H T 8. Kids now draw 9. The numbers of 9 and hue is black color. N I N E 9 10 T E N 10 11. The numbers of 11 12. The numbers of 12. Kids again use black color and draw 13. The numbers of 13 14. The numbers of 14 15. The last numbers of 15. Red color, blue color, yellow color, black color, and green color. Kids now draw numbers and first state of 1 and use red color. O and E1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. T W2 3. T H R W 3. Kids again use red color and draw 4. F O U R 4. 5. F I V E 5. Kids now draw 6. The numbers of 6 and use blue color. S I X 6. 7. S E V E and 7. Kids again use blue color and draw 8. E I G H T 8. 9. N I N E 9. Kids again use blue color and draw 10. T E and 10. Kids now draw 11. The numbers of 11 and use yellow color. 12. The numbers of 12. 13. The numbers of 13. Kids again use yellow color and draw 14. The numbers of 14. 15. The numbers of 15. Kids now to 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. 17. The numbers of 17. Kids again use black color and draw 18. The numbers of 18. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids again use black color and draw 20. The last numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.